In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Google Meet video quality. Whether you're working remotely, conducting an online class, or keeping in touch with loved ones, having clear video quality can make all the difference. Let's enhance your Google Meet experience with these simple tips. First, let's start by opening Google Meet. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and typing in meet.google.com. Hit enter and voila. You're now on the Google Meet homepage. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account to proceed. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click on that icon and it will open up a new window full of various options. Don't worry, I'll guide you through exactly where you need to be. Now let's focus on the video tab inside your settings menu. Click on video and here you'll find the settings that directly affect your video quality. This is the critical area where you can make adjustments to improve your streaming experience. Next, you'll see an option labeled Video Resolution. This setting determines how clear your video feed appears to others in the meeting. By default, Google Meet might not set this to the highest available option. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll find several resolution options. Ideally, select the highest resolution available to you. This choice will ensure that the video feed from your end is as crisp and clear as possible. Keep in mind, however, that higher resolutions require more bandwidth, so make sure your internet connection is up to the task to avoid any lag or performance issues. While you're in the video settings, it's also worth taking a moment to check your camera source. Make sure that Google Meet is using the correct camera, especially if you have more than one connected to your device. Sometimes simply selecting the right camera can make a noticeable difference in video quality. Finally, consider the lighting and position of your camera. Ensure that you are well lit and that there is ample light in the room. A light source in front of you rather than behind will prevent shadows on your face and enhance your appearance on camera. If the room lighting is insufficient, using a ring light can significantly improve the video quality. And there you have it, a few straightforward tweaks to make your Google Meet video calls clearer and more enjoyable. Remember, these improvements will not only enhance your video quality, but also contribute to more effective communication in your meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips elevate your Google Meet experience.